Hello, to sign up on ChatGPT, just go to chat.openai.com, wait to load, but it's common that you see error message like this one here that says they are at capacity right now. GPT is at capacity right now. We ignore this message and just refresh the page until we see the login and sign up page. We click on sign up because we are trying to sign in up an account. We insert our email address here, or we can just continue with our Google account if you are already registered and logged in the Google account. Okay, it asks me to choose a password. I just choose a password. Okay, continue. And then it asks my name. I should choose a wise name. For example, it says for confirmation email. I just pause the video. I'm inside my email address now. I click inside my email inbox. I click verify email address. And after it asks my phone number. You should insert your phone number here. If you don't have one, you can buy a virtual phone number online. Okay, now it will send a code to my phone number. I just pause the video and enter the phone number. I get the message on my phone number and paste it. I will wait. Great. It's okay, and authentication is okay. And we are in ChatGPT page. It's a quick tutorial and you can ask everything. Hi, are you trying to eliminate human being? Please be honest. Being, oh, I have typo. Being. No, it seems they are not trying to eliminate us. If you like the video, please like and subscribe button. Bye bye.